Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically remove your backgrounds without a green screen on CapCut PC. So for instance, we have this video and her background is like a blue curtain. You can use blue screen, but as you can see there's a lot of shadows and it's not like one whole like flat screen behind her. So you can go to cutout, go to chroma key and still select that because it is just one color, and you can do that. But what if, for instance, your background looks like this and there's like no colors to separate you from the background? Just go to cutout and select auto cutout instead. You can even add these for the like person to add in like some, I don't know, like border, I guess, to it. And then to add the background, just go to basic, make sure it's on the first layer, go to canvas and select style or select color. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!